Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Your quarterly report shows 97% data availability. Sounds great, right? Wrong. That 3% gap? It's costing you 180,000 euros a year. And it's not random. It's hiding your worst underperformance. Data gaps aren't neutral. They're biased. Here's what really happens. Inverters go offline during peak production hours. That's why they fail thermal stress. Communication dropouts correlate with string faults. Weather station failures happen during storms when you need the data most. So when you calculate PR from available data only, you're systematically excluding your worst performance days. Your reported PR looks better than reality. Industry standard? Ignore gaps under 5%. But in a 100 MW portfolio, 5% data gaps can hide 2 to 4% performance losses, worth Euro 400k to Euro 800k annually. You need to treat data gaps as evidence, not noise. Step 1. Gap pattern analysis. When and where do gaps occur? Our AI agents map gap frequency by time of day, weather conditions, and specific inverters or strings. Clustering reveals hardware issues. Step 2. Forensic reconstruction. For each gap, we estimate lost production using correlated inverter performance, satellite irradiance data, and historical production patterns. We don't guess, we calculate with confidence intervals. Step 3. Drone cross-validation. Thermal imaging often reveals why data went missing. Hotspots, failed optimizers, and string disconnects all cause both data gaps and production losses. At ClearSpot AI, we turn your data gaps column into a performance recovery roadmap. A 75 MW portfolio reported 96.8% data availability and 93.2% PR. Acceptable performance. Our deep dive found 60% of data gaps occurred during 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. peak production. Gaps correlated with 4 specific inverters. Reconstructed production showed true PR was 89.4%. The 3.8% gap equals Euro 520k annual loss. Drone thermal inspection found the root cause. Failed string fuses causing intermittent dropouts. The failures weren't logged, they just looked like communication errors. After replacement, PR jumped to 92.1%. Data gaps dropped to 0.8%. Client recovered Euro 470k in annual revenue. Your data gaps are trying to tell you something. Are you listening? Visit ClearSpot AI and request your data gap analysis report. You'll get gap pattern analysis when, where, why, reconstructed lost production with confidence scoring, drone validated root cause identification, and a recovery roadmap with projected MWH gains. Stop treating data gaps as acceptable. Start treating them as hidden revenue. ClearSpot AI. Because 97% uptime means 3% of your revenue is invisible. Like, share and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.